Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College Nosharaf Rose, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel 2007. So dear students, Microsoft Excel is a program that is based on general purpose software, and it is also known as MS Office. So dear students, Microsoft Excel enables us to perform the numerical analysis on our worksheets. So dear students, you see that when you will open Microsoft Excel, your program will be based on lines. So dear students, there are two types of the lines in Microsoft Excel. Number one, the lines from top to bottom are represented with letters, or lines in vertical form represented are known as the columns, and lines that you see in the form of numbers or the lines that are started from the left side to the right side are known as the rows. So dear students, here you see that let us represent the columns. These are the columns A, column 1, row 1. A, column A, row 2. Column A, row number 3. Column A, row number 5. Column A, row number 6. So dear students, these are the lines that represent the rows and columns. The identification of columns are the letters that are present in Microsoft Excel. So lines that are displayed with letters from top to bottom are known as columns, and lines from left to side are known as the rows. So dear students, here for example we are going to assign some values, and we will have to perform total of the values. For example, we write down 12 in A, 20 in B, 13 in C, 14 in D, 45 in E, and 60 in F. So dear students, in column from column A to G, row number 1, we have assigned some value, and these values are started from column A to F in row number 1, and we will have to find out the sum of these values. So in column G we will calc, and we will apply the formula that will enable us to find out the total of these entered values in row number 1, column number A to F. So dear students, to find out the total of these value, we will have to click on fx insert function. This function enables us to apply the function of mathematical operators. For example, we will find out the total or the sum of these values. So here we will click on the sum in the menu that is appeared after clicking on the fx function, and we will click on the OK. So dear students, A1 to F1, here you see that the values that are assigned in A1 to F1. So formula also displays A1 plus F1. So dear students, as we will click on OK, the total of these values will be 164. So dear students, this is to find out the sum of the values. So we have performed a practical based on the Excel, and we have find out the total of the assigned value in this practical. Your lecture is ended here, and your homework is that you will have to find out total of these values 20, 10, 30, 40, 15, 18. So dear students, in column A, in column A2 to F2, the values that I have entered here, you will have to find out the total of these values in option G and send me on our WhatsApp group. Dear students, your lecture is ended here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Assalamu alaikum dear students of BFC.